In brumation, metabolism slows to survive freezes, but hunger drives the hunt underground. Pit organs detect heat signatures, like infrared vision, spotting prey in the icy dark. Insects cluster for heat, making them perfect targets in the winter haze. Venom strikes fast, paralyzing prey in seconds, a lethal winter meal.
Jaws unhinge to consume. Every bite fuels survival through the long, cold snap.
But prey fights back, tiny bites against the predator's scales. The snake prevails, but the cold drains energy with every move. Will the hunt succeed in this cold snap, or will hunger win?